Lewis Hamilton or Virat Kohli? I freed my teeth today. All of it one fistful. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Monday and we're starting the day with a shoot because I have a brand shoot that I need to finish and send. I've been dodging since the past 3-4 days. My POC has been texting me every day and I've been like, I'll shoot today and send. I'm editing, I'll send it to you in some time. But it's high time I shoot and send now because after this I have to go to the gym, and after I come back I'm planning to go out somewhere because I've not gone out in a really long time. Like just by myself. I know I went out yesterday, but like just by myself I've not gone out, so I'm planning to go to a cafe to just sit and chill, or if I have some work I'll do that. Only if I start the shoot now I'll be able to finish it on time, and then I can eat and go to the gym and everything will be on time, or else everything is gonna get late. I'm just glad that it's Monday morning and I'm starting the day working, because it never happens with me. Like, I keep procrastinating, and now that my gym timing is at 3:30, I have to start my work earlier, only then I'll be able to finish, because by the time I come back there is no light, so there's no way I can shoot. I mean, I can shoot with the light, but I like natural lighting more. I've been trying to do for several years now, but I've just not been able to, so this will be a good push for me, because that way I feel like I'll have a proper structure to the day. Otherwise my days are just all over the place. I'm just blabbering. Anyway, let's get to work. What do you think about my new accessory? Ishu baby, Ishu baby, Ishu baby. Yeah. She's so naughty, she can't sit quiet for 1 second. Ishu babu, Ishu baby, Ishu. Done with the shoot. I shot a brand video and then I shot 2 organic video for my Instagram, and now I have to tidy up this space, edit the video and send it to my POC, have my lunch, pre-workout and leave to the gym. Honestly, at this point, going to the gym is the only thing I look forward to every day. I feel like I'm almost always in the car when I'm talking to you guys, but we are going out to have Korean food after so long. Actually, not after so long. I think last month end only we went, but we both have been craving Korean food since the past 2 days, and Sean has been telling me that he wants to go, and even I was telling him I want to go. So I told him, in case you happen to come home early from office, we'll go have Korean food, and he came early. I was actually planning to go to a cafe to just work or chill after the gym, but then I got late from the gym, and I knew that after 5:30 or 5:45 if I leave there's gonna be extreme traffic, and considering today is Monday I just couldn't take the chance. Now there will be traffic, but I'm not driving. I am the passenger princess. My legs are not gonna hurt. I just hope we reach on time, because 9:30 the restaurant closes and it's 8:34 now. I'm just hoping, praying to all the gods that I reach there at least by 9:15 or 9:20. We made it. I can't believe we made it. It's impossible on a Monday to be able to come here in such little time. Oh my god, I told him I just want to go somewhere, please, and the way he drove, correct, 9:15 we were here. I mean, it's 9:16 right now, but 9:15 sharp I opened the door and I came and sat in. Unbelievable. Also, I kept telling, thank you God, thank you so much for helping me reach at 9:15. So like, I manifested and I came here on time. I'm so excited to have Korean food. Also, a lot of actual Korean people come to this restaurant, and they are all so cute, like children, mid-aged people, old people, man, women, everybody's so cute. If you were to be born as an animal, which one would you be and why?
I would be a wolf, because Totu wolf. Thanks, Totu. I feel like they are one of the smartest animal, and
They are very loyal to their pack.
if you were a car, what brand would you be?
If I were a car brand, I think I'd be Cadillac, or I'd be Porsche. I feel Porsche cars are girly cars, so I'd be Porsche. I have a very interesting question. If you could meet only one of these 2 people, who would it be? Lewis Hamilton or Virat Kohli?
I will not meet either, because I want to meet both.
So you'd sacrifice and not meet either of them?
Yes. There is one food that you would give up. Would it be Korean food or would it be Italy?
I would give up Korean food. I can't live without South Indian food, especially Italy. Our Sunday breakfast, idli sambar, I cannot live without. I'm saying this while I'm eating Korean food, but I cannot live without South Indian food. Italy is like my life. Okay, my last question. Would you rather only go on cafe dates with me or only on sports dates with me? Like each date would be some kind of sport.
I'll go on sports dates with you. If you're stuck in a universe where the same day is repeated for a week, which song would you listen? Would it be K-pop or would it be Justin Bieber?
I'm not a fan of either of them, but I think I'd rather choose Justin Bieber over K-pop. I like K-dramas, I like K-food, but not K-pop. So I guess Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber for the win! I just got to the gym. This is my gym fit. And this is a lot of blue for someone who says they don't like blue. Look, this is blue. My bottle is blue. My top is blue. My shorts are blue. Maybe I like blue. I just think I don't like blue, but I actually like blue. Got done with the workout finally. Every time during legs I'm like, please no, leave me, I wanna go home. I can't do legs. Good morning, we're going for a little walk at the Besant Nagar beach. I don't know what came on to Sean. Last night before going to sleep, he's like, let's go for a walk tomorrow morning. I'm like, what? Who's inside you? As a very responsible kid, we packed our breakfast so we don't eat out, complete our protein intake, complete our calorie intake. I'm not a big fan of walking or running, like anything that involves cardio, I'm just not. I agreed only because there's also beach and we can go to the beach after. My brain is so rotten being at home all day using my phone. So we've been trying to go for walks like 3 days a week or at least 2 days a week, like how much ever we can. I don't enjoy it, but okay. But it's still better than staying home and doom scrolling. మీది ఇల్లవే ಇಲ್ಲ The last time I was here at the beach, I was saying I'm really considering buying this camera, and I finally bought it. I'm shooting in the camera that I bought, and I bought Osmo 4. We have come to Paris plage for coffee and matcha. On my teeth. I freed my teeth today. Yeah, keep it. You should always upgrade, never downgrade.
For 56 lakhs per year. Can you believe with all the free will in the world, we have literally carried our breakfast with us. Hello, we're out again. We're going for a movie. Finally, I'm going for the MJ movie. We got the tickets. He asked me if I want to go now because every time he plans for a movie, it's a night show and I'm like, no night show. Since today he has off. We just looked up if we could find tickets. We found the tickets and we're out and about. Also, I have some work that needs to be done, so I'm just getting that done. We're late as usual and there is so much traffic, like
It's insane. Look at the traffic. The movie was so good. After it got over, I'm like, what? It got over so early. Coming from someone that does not have this much attention span. We've now come to Decathlon because I need to get knee pads. Basically, whenever I do legs, basically main character moment. So yeah, I was saying basically anytime I do legs, I get knee pain. So my trainer has asked me to get knee pads, so it will help me with my knee pain. I have come to Vaishnava's Kannappa Tattu Idli. Today has been too much of outing, but anyway we are here for dinner. This place has Chennai's best. When I say best, I mean the best podi dosa and tattu idli with the podi on top. Like this place has the best. You have to get the olive oil podi dosa or olive oil tattu idli, whatever you like. But like the idli is just so soft and so good. Like yummy. The podi idli, I got really impatient, so I already ate half podi dosa and then chili barota. Yummy. I can't wait to dig into this. Hello, I just got back from the gym, so please excuse the way I'm looking. This is what I got from Decathlon yesterday. Decathlon, I don't know, whatever. I got this. It's basically like a kneecap. It will give you grip when you do legs because I get knee pain. I got 2 of them, one for each leg. My god, this is expensive. This was $5.99 and I thought you get a pair, but apparently you get only one. So I had to buy 2 and I got a few stuffs from Amazon. I already opened one. I think I ordered for cat food. I ordered food for Izzy, and then I got this thing for my car for the Osmo. For phone I already have one mounted, but when I shoot vlogs, like if I'm driving alone, I'm not able to shoot with the Osmo. So I got this one. Basically I can just screw the Osmo to this and clip this in the car and I can shoot. And then I got my protein powder. I don't even know why I'm excited for protein powder. I hate protein powder with all my heart and soul. It's been lying here since 2 days. I haven't opened it and my cat has already tried to open it. My cat just loves cardboard boxes. I just kept the cardboard box aside. Izzy got so startled, she flew and ran away. Anyway, I got the Funk Lab plant protein in coffee because I wanted to try a different flavor. I'm actually planning to try dark chocolate next time. I have one from Nykaa. I ordered the B-Body Wise underarm roll-on from Nykaa. Nykaa's delivery is shitty as fuck. I ordered on 20th. Before ordering, when I checked for delivery estimation, it said 2 hours. You know when I got? Today, 2 days later. Nykaa is such a big brand and it's embarrassing to have such a shitty delivery service. Anyway, I ordered the B-Body Wise 6% AHA BHA underarm roll-on. So every day I make a smoothie and drink, and in that smoothie I add a premix. Basically it has a lot of nuts and seeds. It got over, so I'm gonna make that premix and then I'm gonna make my smoothie and have that. Start by dry roasting some black urad dal. I keep the black urad dal aside for it to cool down. Then I add all these nuts and seeds: pistachio, walnut, cashews, almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, black sesame seeds and white sesame seeds. All of it one fistful. Once the seeds start to pop, like the black sesame seeds and the white sesame seeds, I turn it off and keep it aside for it to cool down. We're out again. We're going for an ice cream day. We are going to one of our most favorite places. I'm just hoping and praying that they have Coconut Panda. I love their Coconut Panda. This has been my recent favorite song, Billie Jean. Like the visuals of that song just keeps running in my mind. The way he's dancing and singing and enjoying. I just love it. This is my favorite song right now. It is crazy crowded. Oh, it's not. It was crazy crowded when we came, but we were talking to our friends. Oh, it is crowded. It was too soon to speak. It is crowded. It's Coconut Pandan. I have to order it quickly or else it will get over. It was gonna get over, but they refilled it.
my manifestation is working. This is proof that you can manifest even the littlest of little thing. Like I just said thank you God that I had coconut pandan today and it's available.
What's the problem? What's your problem?
Thank you. अखियों में water दे गई, दुआ में गुरखानी ले गई. We are heading back home and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. You know the drill. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.